Dear learners, we discussed subscription-based literature databases, free databases, and the open access repositories. Now let me introduce you with the government initiatives of the literature databases. Many of you might be aware about these things, but I would like to update you with the government initiative and the Indian Literature Database, Indian Literature Review Database, you can say, that is maintained by Information and Library Network Center, INFLIP Center. UGC, MHRD, like the agencies, they have developed a center. Information and Library Network Center provides a set of Indian database which is used by institutions across the country. This Information and Library Network Center, INFLIBNet, is an autonomous inter-university center of the University Grants Commission of India. It helps in modernizing university libraries in India and connecting them with high-speed network. It provides quality learning and literature database for students, teachers, and researchers. This INFLIP Center provides a huge variety of the databases. For the literature review purpose, I am giving a very few by the INFLIBNet Center, which is more focused to the literature review purpose, like Shodh Gangotri, Shodh Ganga, eShodh Sindhu, ISSR Data Service, INDCAT, and Vidwan, the expert database. Now let me take you with the very first database, that is Shodh Gangotri. Shodh stands for research and Gangotri. Gangotri is the largest glacier, which is the source, which is the origin of holy river Ganges. Ma Ganga, our mother Ganga, originates from this glacier. The knowledge of Ganga originates from Gangotri. That's why Shodh Gangotri is the name. The research originates from synopsis. Yes, this is the collection of synopsis. This is the repository of synopsis. Shodh Gangotri is the repository of electronic version of approved synopsis submitted by research scholars to the universities for registering themselves for the PhD program. It reveals the trends and directions of research being conducted in Indian universities. This Shodh Gangotri avoids duplication of research. By many ways, a synopsis can be searched in this platform and it helps in planning research. This repository, Shodh Gangotri, has the link of Shodh Ganga in this platform. And what is Shodh Ganga? Now let us move to the Shodh Ganga, another repository. What is the Shodh Ganga? Yes, Shodh, research, Ganga, Ma Ganga, our mother Ganga. The river of knowledge, Ganga. So it is the repository of the PhD thesis, the river of knowledge. Shodh Ganga is a reservoir of Indian thesis. It is available to the entire scholarly community in open access. As we can see that in Shodh Ganga, there has been a huge year-wise growth of PhD thesis in Shodhganga repository. In this Shodhganga, the plagiarism-free content is available and it is powered by Urkunt software of plagiarism detection. The advanced search options are here: subject, title, scholar, supervisor, university-wise. You can filter or you can search the PhD thesis with the help of these filters. The repository has the ability to capture, index, store, disseminate, and preserve electronically submitted PhD thesis by the researchers. Now moving to eShodh Sindhu. What is the eShodh Sindhu? eShodh Sindhu is the Consortium for Higher Education Electronic Resource and initiative by MHRD. eShodh Sindhu provides access to e-resources, 15,000 plus full-text journals from 25 publishers, 5 bibliographic databases, 2 legal databases, 4 factual databases, and 1 standard database to universities, colleges, and centrally funded technical institutions in India. Now let us move to the ISSR, which deals with the social science repository. It is a social science repository. The ICSSR, the Indian Council of Social Science Research, has sanctioned a project entitled Setting Up of Indian Social Science Data Repository for the ICSR's data service to the center, INFLIP Center. The ICSR has signed a MOU with Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, New Delhi, for providing National Sample Survey (NSS) and Annual Survey of Industries (ASI) datasets, which in turn are being handed over to InflipNet Center for hosting onto the repository. NSS is conducting nationwide integrated large-scale sample surveys employing scientific sample methods to generate data and statistical indicators on diverse socio-economic aspects. While the ASI, the Annual Survey of Industries, is the principal source of industrial statistics in India. So after the ICSR, I will move to the INCAT. What is the INCAT? Basically, it is Indian Catalog. It is the abbreviation of Indian Catalog. What is the INCAT? This is the website of INCAT. The link is available in InflipNet's website. INCAT is unified online catalog of books, theses, and journals available in major universities, libraries in India. There are more than 1.25 crore bibliographic record of books. It is a very simple and advanced search option providing platform for doing the literature review. Now let's move to the last database we are going to address, that is Vidwan. Vidwan, expert. In Hindi, the expert is called Vidwan, you can say. So it is a repository of experts, academic experts. It is a premier database of profiles of scientists, researchers, and other faculty members working at leading academic institutions and other R&D organizations involved in teaching and research in India. It provides important information about experts' background, contact address, experience, scholarly publications, skill and accomplishments, researcher identity, etc. Now let me tell you some miscellaneous Indian databases which provide the free full text, like NISCAR, National Institute of Scientific communication and information resources. This provides a group of publication, scholarly publication of various different fields, and provide them freely in their website as a open access journals or open access content. Next is Indian Academy of Science, IAS. It is also having a group of scholarly publications which is freely available. You can utilize them effectively for doing your literature review. In Indian scenario, government has taken the various initiatives. So I hope I have added some new things to your knowledge with respect to these databases. Now let me summarize this module for you. Among the subscription database, Web of Science is one of the largest database, which is covering a lot many databases in one single umbrella, catering various disciplines. PubMed is a free database addressing medical, biomedical, biotechnological, chemical sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, and other allied applied sciences. Next, among the free databases, you can also explore the open access repositories, open access journals, open access articles in subscription-based journals, open access issues in the subscription-based journals, and please do explore the government initiatives, well-established services by the INFLIP Center. With the Shodh Gangotri, you can plan with the Shodh Gangotri your research and you can see the novelty part by going through the Shodh Gangotri. Then Shodh Ganga, eShodh Sindhu, INDCAT, Vidwan, ISSR, these are the good databases of scholarly articles, and Vidwan is a very good database of scientists and researchers, of academics in India. So dear learners, hope you might have got the essence of doing the literature review and using these literature databases effectively. Do use and utilize them effectively. If you are not having the subscription base, ask for the help from those institutes which are having the subscription. And if you are not having the subscription, ask for INFLIP Center also through your institute. INFLIP Center is always helping the institutes by giving subsidized access to these platforms of the subscription based platforms also. So ask for help if you are in problem, if you are having any problem regarding the literature review. So we hereby finish this module by this statement. And now I again request you to go through the further readings, and the next module we will be learning the literature management. Now we are searching the things, how we will manage the literature. We will cover that part in our next module. So keep on learning. Happy learning.